Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Oh God, bro. Hold up, dude. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. I got fucking smoked today, dude. Like in the worst way, bro. Like, so, and bro, this is what I'm saying, bro. Like I'm talking about coming out the gates. Like I was perfect, bro. I seen this right here at 9:30 bounce up, crossing over red to green. I went long, bro. And freaking hold on. Let's see. Right here. Caught this. Pull back, caught this. Got out. Right? And seeing this consolidation, I decided it was a good idea to fade, and freaking the market just kept ripping to the upside, dude. Uh it is what it is though. Yeah. I mean, sloppy execution and not following my risk to reward, uh and basically trying to trade against the trend. I mean, that shit got me, bro. Good. Like on that pullback. Bomb. Uh it's all good though. But now, like, I mean, I don't even know why I'm still in these trades. Because like, whoa, the freaking the zero DTE contracts I got on accident. And like, because I held them so long, like I mean, the theta is one thing, but also like the market just fucking went against me, bro. Like I mean, it's power hour, so let's see what happens. You know they like to play games in power hour and shit. Like we know this, but I mean, we've run up so much that even if they do decide to play games, bro, or flush the market, like there's no way we could flush. You know what I'm saying? Far enough. Like like maybe on the 10 minutes of terror we yank down and crack a level or something, but like other than that, bro, like clear uptrend, dude. Why does it do that? Yeah, I got smoked today though. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I mean? But I knew. I mean, I didn't know, but I felt like it was a matter of time before I had another red day. You know what I'm saying? But the problem is, it didn't have to be one. You feel me? That's the main thing. Yeah, I mean because all the signs for bullishness were there, right? As far as like the rhetoric, you know what I mean? Different little shows and shit for pre-market or the news. Like all the signs for bullishness were there. But like when we came out looking weak, especially the Qs, see all this cracking to the downside, I was like, oh shit, we might actually fade a little bit. I should have been more patient. And I seen it. I seen the Qs consolidating down here. but I thought it was gonna break down. And again, there's the drawback from anticipating. It's it's better to wait for confirmation, bro. But again, like the, these are the reasons why it's so important to get that vital screen time in, bro. You know what I mean, because if you don't get the screen time in, like you don't learn from your mistakes. So like, you know what I mean? Like I ain't gonna lie, I got smoked. I got smoked today. But I'm still here, baby. I'm gonna show face. Cause guess what? I got no problem jumping on and showing face when I'm up, right? And making money and shit. So like, also gotta jump on and show face when when I'm when I'm red on the day, bro. You feel me? We keep it real. We keep it raw, dog. It's all good. I mean, it happens to the best of us. Like, there's no way you could be right all the time or freaking have a green day every day. Like it's just uh statistically impossible. You feel me? But the thing is, when you do have a red day, like you have to keep your losers small, bruh. But I didn't do that today. I let it keep running against me. Let's see if we get this dump, bro. This trickery going into the close. It's power hour. Look, listen. One thing I will say, like by any means of my thing, we're gonna dump and give all this back. But bro, this is straight like insanity, bullishness here, bro. So I mean, I would expect for us to give something back. You know what I mean? At least in on that 10 minutes of terror, bro. Like hopefully we can yank down something. I mean, at this point, like those bullshit zero DTE contracts, I mean, even if we fucking fade all the way down here, like they're still dead because of time decay. But also got I got some other ones with better expirations. You feel me? Like I don't know why. I know why. Like on the option chain, you have to click on the day at the top. I forgot. I left it on 0 days till expiration. Like over here, look. Hey. So like on the SPY, you got 0 day, 1 day. I usually do the 1 days. But the trade that's killing me the most is the ones where I freaking double down on these 0 days, not realizing that they were 0 days to expiration. You feel me? So I mean, that's a mistake I won't make again. So let's see. Because we've been trending up all day. Now we're in power hour. We're getting closer to that 10 minutes of terror, and I would expect for us to start fading at some point, bro. Like, I mean, bro, like, again, this is not sustainable, dog. The only problem is, like, I got the bullshit zero DTEs on my first set, on my fucking first 5 contracts. So those fucking obliterated me. But Then all the rest of the contracts, like the other five of them, are not zero DTE. So I feel like those two have a chance to work, especially if we start fading going into the close and get that 10 minutes of terror. And if there's enough momentum off of that, we will keep fading and gap down probably. I mean, I don't know. I don't know about a gap down with the market looking this bullish, to tell you the truth. But again, when too many people get on one side of something, the market does the opposite. So the simple fact that I'm saying that the market was so bullish today that there's no way that we could fade and gap down overnight makes me think that we can actually do that. I'm just here, man, to see the end of this. But definitely got smoked today. You feel me? I mean, the Russell's starting to fade. I mean, the S&P 500 starting to fade. I mean, look at this recovery on Nvidia, bruh. Almost at 480. Oh my god, dude. Like, what the hell? About to grab some Nvidia calls, bruh. That shit going to 500, bruh. Going to 550. That's what they say. But see, I feel like even up this high, bro, I feel like it'd be a chase to try to get some Nvidia right now, dude. But the way they're talking, they're saying they're talking like it could go up to 900. I heard someone say. I mean, if you're looking at Nvidia from that standpoint, I mean, we're obviously going to get hit 500 and more than likely 550. And if that happens, we could probably get up to those levels that they're talking about. I feel like it's a chase. Like, I rather, instead of getting Nvidia, I rather grab AMD and hope that it's lagging behind. You know what I'm saying? All right, we started fading a little bit. Every time we fade, they come in and buy the dip. You feel me? Look, the Russell's coming down. I mean, something's got to break here soon. Cause look, you got the S triple Q. Finally, seems like it found the bottom and has been trending up. These are 5-minute candles, so we based for 20 minutes and then put in a higher low, crossing over the 120 and the 9 EMA. Success as well. Looking like it may have finally found the bottom. You feel me? And it's trending up. These are 5-minute candles. We based for 20 minutes and then put in two consecutive higher lows on the 5-minute. So if that trend can continue, especially going into the close, we could see a dump and a flush. I'm seeing SoFi reject and fade. Baba gap down. Remember, I was telling you Baba likes to gap down. It gapped down and faded more. Hit 90 and then started trending back up. Amazon is front side, barely. AMC backside, of course. Mara looks like it gave a little bit back today. I'm guessing Bitcoin must be down or something, and Carvana has faded a little bit. Still trading above $40, but I mean it was at 42 at one point. So 20 minutes left till market close. So I'm torn here because, like I said, I still got other puts that expire later on. But dude, with the market looking bullish like this, bro, I don't even know, bro, if I want to even swing those puts. Even though I know we have to pull back at some point. Like, dog, this bullishness is making me just want to freaking close everything out. Only got me some vape juice. Damn, having a freaking Nick fit, dude. Look at this, man, bro. I was in the calls right here, bro. Oh my, dude, all I do is just stay in that and not do anything else, bro. That's all I had to do. Yeah, man. You know, sometimes less is more. View up slant. I mean, but there's really no topping out going on up here, bro. We're just pushing up, pulling back to the 9, pushing up, pulling back to the 9. If we do crack the 9, they immediately buy the dip and we rip right back up. So there is no topping out. Like, there's no resistance up here, bro. I mean, you'd have to go back all the way over here last year, around April of last year. All right, all right. I thought I seen something. I seen that VWAP slant, and we were breaking down the 9 EMA. Bro, they gotta give us some. They gotta give us 10 minutes of terror. It might be to the upside though, but bro, like 10 minutes of terror to the upside, like bro, we're already to the upside. I mean, thank God I got the long term, bro. Oh my God. That's why it's important to have, you know what I mean, trade intraday, but you know what I'm saying? Have your long term be the backbone of your shit, bro. Straight up. Gotta have a long term. Gotta add to it. Uh, you know what I mean? Consistently. And then the next step is to have the long term and some good dividend plays. And also just because dividend play has a high whatever like yield up front doesn't necessarily mean it's a good dividend play. I've been doing my research. Okay, so we got about 15 minutes left till market close. You see how VWAP slanted? Like, bro, if we can crack the 9 is what's been saving this thing, bro. Other than all the freaking dip buyers out there. But look, again, S triple Q has based and is trying to trend up. Success is now looking a little weaker than the S triple Q. All day, the S triple Q was looking weaker than Success, but it seems like now the S triple Q is basing and trying to go to the upside. Oh, Success is too. Okay. Let's see, man. Let's see how far they can dump it. All right. 15 minutes left till market close. 5 minutes left to that 10 minutes of terror. Look, wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA. This might be the start of it. We have to crack this 454.35. Just go ahead and smash it, crack it. No, we don't need the bounce here. Dude, I'm telling you, bro, they won't. They will not let this thing sell off. I mean, when we're talking about relative strength, like, I ain't gonna lie. This is the most relative strength I've seen on the SPY. When I was actively watching it. Obviously, there was days where I wasn't watching it. And maybe there's exceptions then, but me personally, this is relative strength right here, bro. This ain't even relative strength. This is just insanity. Foolishness ripping to the upside. All right, look, we have about 3 minutes left to that last 10 minutes. I'm just curious at this point. While still in losing trades. But I mean, it really makes no sense to close out the ones that expire today. I mean, they're damn near worthless. So I'd rather just take my chances and see if we can get like that 10 minutes of terror fuckery real quick. Maybe. But no, it's looking like we're about to get the inverse, dog. Lord have mercy. Look at this. Going up to tag the high of day again. Like, bro, the 9 EMA. I don't know what changed, but that 9 EMA. I mean, you could have just traded based off the 9 EMA. Look, come down, test it, buy the dip. When we get the resistance, get out, or when we start coming back and breaking down the 9 EMA again, you get out. Come back down, look. Support, crossing over the 9, buy the dip. Get to resistance, or either start fading back down and about to break down the 9 EMA again, get out. Look, every time we've crossed over the 9 EMA, we've ran up decent. So that's a little strategy there, but we're like trying to rip going into the close. There's about 1 minute left until that 10-minute mark. And right now, dude, it's looking like we're about to get the inverse 10, bro. Well, we ripped to the upside. Look at this volume, dude. It's increasing. Going into the close. Let's see if we can get some increase in volume on the selling side here. Look, there's 40 seconds left until that 10-minute mark. What should we watch? Let's watch it all. The Russell's popped up again. Okay. 20 seconds left. Let's see if we get anything here. 10 seconds. So that last 10 minutes of terror starts. 5 seconds. S&P 500's already dumping. All right. Oh, look, we're getting the inverse 10. Maybe not. VWAP slant there. A lot of wicking. We didn't get a violent jerk. I mean, I guess we did if you look at this wick. But here it goes. The 9 EMA. Can we finally crack it? Oh my God, can we finally crack the 9 EMA? There we go. Look at the S&P 500. Double top right there. Cause see, that's a strategy in and of itself. Yeah, you got to do some extra work though to make sure your levels and everything make sense. But look, double top. You know the 10 minutes of terror coming. Fade. I mean, that's a strategy in and of itself. I keep saying it. But I mean, look. Success is on the lows, about to crack this 845. Not looking good. I mean, S triple Q still trying to hold the support and try to grind up. Yeah, they ain't giving it up, bro. Just risk on today, bro. Risk on straight bullish yesterday, bro. But well, we got a little 10 minutes of terror action. We yoked from the high of day 454.86 down to 454.40s. The next candle got down to 454.28. So we did get some 10 minutes of terror, but dog, the market's too bullish. But look, it seems like we're starting to try to fade. And this is my dilemma. Do I swing the puts overnight? You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm torn in between right now. And I don't have a lot of time to decide. I'll have about 8 minutes. I'm going to let these expire worthless, I guess. The 451 puts expiring today. Like, that was so fucking, like, stupid. So stupid, bro. Like, I don't like to trade zero DTEs anymore, bro. Dude, 10 minutes of terror did nothing. We came down here and bounced at 454.30s. Looking like a liquidity grab. That's what they look like. We start dumping. A new candle opens, wicks all the way down, and then we just bounce and rip to the upside. But usually it's more dramatic. It's more dramatic of a dump. Like they're doing these little mini grabs. You feel me? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? The takeaway from today is for me is make sure I'm not getting zero DTEs. You know what I mean? That's it. Look. Oh, wait. Cracked that 9. Came all the way down here for a second. They're just buying it. They won't let it drop. But it's looking like it wants to, which is giving me a little more motivation to go ahead and swing those puts overnight for the gap down, bro. Hey, look. Crack this level. VWAP slant. We're already fading. We should see some follow through here. See what I'm saying? There goes the follow through. There it goes. There it goes. Look. There it goes. Cracking the 120. Look. Look. S&P 500 dumping. Crack the 120. You got the Russell coming down. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? And at the same time, look, S triple Q basing down here, now starting to bounce and try to run up. Same thing with success. So yeah, there's my confirmation. That's my confirmation to go ahead and swing them overnight. VWAP slanting. We were just bouncing. That's why we didn't get the dump. But it's still looking weak, like it wants to break down. That's what I'm saying. Look, increasing volume going into the close. Look, 800,000 shares, 700 and something thousand shares. They're dumping on it going into the close. But bro, today was a absolutely bullish day. And congrats to anyone that freaking bought the dip and just freaking got out the way. You know what I'm saying? Because you did good, buddy. Look, they still not trying to let this thing go. Even at the end of the day, bro, this bitch trying to bounce. But I mean, look, double top up here. Double top. Then when we faded and bounced, we couldn't even bounce back up to test it a third time. We cracked the level down to the 120. And now we're underneath this 450, 435s. If I mean, as long as we could stay below this and not break above it, I'll feel better about fading them overnight. Swinging the puts overnight. See? It wants to crack the 120. Look, it wants to crack the 120. I mean, there's about what, 1.5 minutes left in the trading period. Looking like we want to step down here with these inverse higher lows. Look, that'd be one. This would be one, and this would be another one. All right, so there's about 1 minute left in the trading period. Really quick. Here's what the S&P 500 is looking like on the 1 minute. The Russell, let's go to like the 5 so you can see exactly what's going on. Look at that, just ripping. All right, 1 minute left. You seen how that 1 minute mark hit and we got that VWAP slant underneath the 120. It's looking like we're gonna fade a little bit more here. Oh, I was on the wrong chart. I was on the wrong chart. My bad. All right, so reject the 120. Keep fading. All right, we got 15 seconds left in the trading period. So obviously, I mean, I got no choice but to swing these overnight, bro. Hopefully we get some continuation and there's market close. Continuation to the downside. Fade overnight. Pre-market. Gap down maybe. And if we can get that, I might be able to salvage this. Look, coming down still. So top of the range was actually 454.80s. Look, double top. So right here would have been the opportune time to fade. You feel me? The 454s. And that's all I'll be trying to do is catch the reversal, anticipate it. And like, I mean, I had plenty of chances. But once I missed my exit wherever I did and the market started trending up, I got fixated on that particular trade. And I was a victim of opportunity cost. Because what I should have did is just went ahead and closed it out and moved on to the next one. You feel me? But sometimes I forget too, like that. You know, like I'm not really swing trading. I'm day trading these, and basically scalping them. So I forget about that sometimes, and that's why the freaking market ran against me. But there we go, man. Super bullish day, bruh. Yeah, can't deny that. Well, you know what I mean? Like I said, bro, congrats to anyone that was able to freaking capitalize on that, bro. I mean, you did good, bro. Like, I was in the trade too, dog. Like, I closed it out though. Because I honestly thought we were gonna be bearish. And I was just catching the quick scalp to the upside. But you know, hindsight, it's 2020. And looking back on it, all I had to do is stay in my original trade and not make one other trade. And I mean, that would have been a decent day right there. Probably up there with well, yeah, since I've been doing options. But obviously my best um the most gains I ever made on a trade was off of AMZ. Cause I got in at like $12 with decent size and freaking rode it up to like 60 something. I don't know. I'd have to go back and check on my Fidelity statements to see exactly where I wrote it up to, but I know it was like 60 something, like 65 or 68. You feel me? But that trade's an outlier. That was a short squeeze. Like, but as far as regular, if I would have just kept my contract and just wrote it up and not did anything else, uh, that would have been up there with some of the most gains I've made in one day, just because of the size. Remember, I was saying I feel like I need to go up on my size, and I did. Just so happens, uh, I got those zero DTEs. You feel me? And basically, fucking got squeezed. But let's see what happens. I mean, we started fading a little bit. Um, I mean, I would expect us to keep fading and maybe gap down. And hopefully, if that happens, I should be able to salvage some of this. But yeah, um, you know, 28.5% loss on the 451s when they were actually up 10% at one point. That's what uh you know what I mean, that's that's what hurts. You feel me? See profit, take profit. Oh, they did that. I could have been out and then flipping back long to catch the move to the upside. Instead, I got fixated on this bullshit and I wasted my time. But it's all good. I mean, hopefully, you know what I mean? We, yeah, well, I'm definitely gonna learn from my mistakes. I already freaking went over a list of what mistakes I made and how to correct them. You feel me? But I mean, hopefully, anyone that's watching this, seeing that as well, and you know what I mean, could use it as a learning experience, even if it's at my expense. It's all right. You feel me? There's still value in that. But yeah, man, got smoked today. I mean, I know eventually I was gonna have a red day again. Just would have liked it to not be as drastic as down in there 30% on just one trade. You feel me? But it's all good. Of course, I will live to see another day. Hey, look, this is what I'm saying, bro. Look, this thing's base down here and it's starting to trend up. Success. Basing down here, holding support, almost like a double bottom, starting to trend up, and Success is actually trying to go red to green right now. So, you know what I mean? And then look, AI is fading. AMD got all the way up to red to green, double topped off of it and rejected. Palantir, look at this beast. The thing just keeps running. My price target's $20 on Palantir. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Look, this thing's acting like it wants to go red to green right here. And with these fades, these things keep trending up. The market will keep leaking and gap down. The SPY should keep leaking and gap down. But look, there's plenty of opportunities to fade the rip. I bought the dip, faded that, didn't get out. That's where I should have got out at. Bomb. And then flipped long. And just caught the rest of the move to the upside. That would have been decent. But that's what the SPY looks like. Here's what the Qs look like. And look at that. Ran up, topped out, and then reversed. And that's that repeatable process. Banks lead Dow higher as stocks extend upswing. Yeah, the banks were super bullish today. The financial sector. Look what Apple did. Boom. Look what happened on that 10 minutes of terror on Apple. Look, we're way up here at high day. Look, reject, bomb, going all the way backside. So from 194.33 to 193.30. There's a good example of that 10. What about Tesla? Even Tesla, look, right at that 10. Telling you it's a strategy, bro. Bomb. Get out here. The SPY still leaking? Yeah. It's still going down. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like we just keep leaking and gap down. Hopefully we gap down far enough. Because what do I got? The 453s, the 452s, the 451s are dead. Then the 451 calls was my green trade. The 451 puts that expired today was my red trade, and that shit killed me. But then I'll also have the 453 and 452 puts that don't expire. So all we need is to keep leaking, gap down, like I said. I should be fine. And if not, I'll still be fine. You feel me? But yeah, that's what we looking like. Russell way up here. Meta did close the day green. Meta was all over the place. Nvidia, freaking, like, awesome recovery here. Basically looking just like the Qs. The Qs did the same thing, dumped off the open, consolidated, and then started trending up. Look, dumped off the open, consolidated, started trending up. Like that. Damn, like the Nvidia and the Qs were like moving in lockstep. But yeah, dude, bro, that was so exhausting, bro. Just sitting there, watching the market run against you all day, bro. Like, yeah, I knew I should have stopped out. But, no one's perfect. You feel me? But all we can do is learn from our mistakes. You feel me? And make sure that we live to fight another day. Oh my God, what was that? The hell was that? See if the Qs did it. Must be like some type of misprint or something. You see something? Reject off that 9, buddy. What the hell is this? What is this? Where'd this come from? 200,000 shares. But yeah, that's what we got. I mean, I think I went over stuff off the watch list earlier. If you want to see, yeah, I mean, plays that were running up or have possible continuation on the way, or you know what I mean, go back and watch the beginning of my stream, like the first one, and I went over all that stuff on the watch list. Again, bro, if you guys want that watch list, it's free right now. Just go ahead and sub and comment. I subbed. I want the watch list, and I will send you over that link. But other than that, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. All right. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, follow, all that good stuff that the algorithm likes. Again, bro, I got smoked. You feel me? Red day for me today. Only because I was trying to be a little contrarian when that wasn't necessary. It's all good. You know, yeah, it might be fun or exciting to watch you know, someone trading live, especially, you know what I'm saying, when they're printing tendies and shit, and you know what I mean, trading good, making money. And yeah, I mean, that's valuable content as well. But there's an argument to be made that it's even more valuable to see the other side of that. You feel me? Where you know, you make some mistakes or the market goes against you. You know what I mean? Like, there's value in that as well, because it teaches you what to do and what not to do and what to be wary of. You feel me? So that's another reason why I jumped back on, even though I got smoked on that those 451s. You feel me? Because I'm trying to bring value, and it's valuable too. But anyways, like I said, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Been sitting in this chair all day, bro. Pretty tired and drained. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. But I for my people like on Rumble and Twitch, you feel me? And I will be jumping on to do some gaming, some live streaming on some gaming. Got to put in some work on that on my gaming channel. You feel me? But anyways, like I said, it's your boy E. I'll let your boy.